Perth, the capital city of Western Australia, is one of the most isolated yet breathtakingly beautiful cities in the world. Nestled along the banks of the serene Swan River and caressed by the Indian Ocean's breeze, Perth offers an exceptional blend of modern urban life and natural beauty, making it a top-tier destination for both local and international tourists. With its vast open spaces, pristine beaches, rich cultural heritage, and welcoming atmosphere, Perth is often described as Australia's hidden gem. The city's charm begins with its stunning coastline. Perth boasts some of the most spectacular beaches in Australia, and perhaps the world. Cottesloe Beach, with its golden sands and crystal clear waters, is a favorite among locals and visitors alike. Whether it's swimming, snorkeling, or watching the fiery hues of the sunset, this beach offers a tranquil experience that captures the essence of Perth's laid-back lifestyle. Scarborough Beach is another jewel, known for its vibrant promenade, excellent surfing conditions, and lively atmosphere. The Indian Ocean's cool waters and long stretches of sand make these coastal spots perfect for a relaxing escape or energetic adventure. Inland, the beauty of Perth continues with Kings Park and Botanic Garden, one of the largest inner-city parks in the world. Offering panoramic views of the city skyline and Swan River, the park is a haven of native flora and fauna. Walking along its many trails, visitors encounter rich biodiversity, sculptures, war memorials, and quiet spots ideal for picnics. During spring, the park comes alive with wildflowers, showcasing an array of colors and fragrances that reflect the uniqueness of Western Australia's plant life. The Swan River itself is central to Perth's allure. Flowing gently through the heart of the city, it provides a scenic setting for recreational activities such as kayaking, sailing, and river cruises. The riverbanks are dotted with walking and cycling trails, picnic areas, and playgrounds, making it a family-friendly spot. Taking a cruise along the Swan River is a popular way to experience the city from a different perspective, with routes often extending towards the wine-rich Swan Valley. Speaking of Swan Valley, it is one of Australia's oldest wine regions and lies just a short drive from Perth. A day trip to the valley allows visitors to indulge in wine tasting at boutique vineyards, sample gourmet food, and explore artisanal shops. The region's warm hospitality and rustic charm make it a must-visit destination for anyone exploring the Perth area. For lovers of fine food and drink, the blend of wine, craft beer, and fresh local produce makes Swan Valley a culinary paradise. Fremantle, a historic port town located just south of Perth, adds to the city's diverse tourist offerings. This vibrant district is known for its 19th century architecture, creative arts scene, and bustling markets. Fremantle streets are lined with charming cafes, unique boutiques, and historic pubs, creating a lively yet laid-back vibe. Tourists often explore the Fremantle markets for handmade crafts, fresh produce, and indigenous art. The Fremantle Prison, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offers guided tours that delve into Australia's colonial and penal history, adding a fascinating historical dimension to the tourist experience. For those seeking an island adventure, Rottnest Island is just a short ferry ride away from Perth. This car-free island paradise is famous for its population of quokkas, the world's happiest animal. Visitors often cycle around the island, stopping at secluded beaches, snorkeling spots, and picturesque lookouts. The island's natural beauty, combined with its relaxed pace of life, makes it a beloved destination for both day trippers and overnight stays. Whether it's exploring underwater coral reefs or simply enjoying the sunshine with a quokkas selfie, Rottnest Island offers a unique and memorable escape from the mainland. Perth's cultural offerings also play a significant role in attracting tourists. The city is home to several museums and art galleries, including the Art Gallery of Western Australia, which houses impressive collections of Indigenous and contemporary art. The Western Australian Museum provides insights into the state's natural history and cultural heritage. Additionally, the Perth Cultural Centre is a vibrant hub that connects art, music, and performance in a way that reflects the region's diverse community. In recent years, Perth has evolved into a cosmopolitan city with a thriving culinary and nightlife scene. Its dining options range from world-class restaurants to cozy cafes and food trucks, offering an array of international cuisines influenced by the city's multicultural population. The Elizabeth Quay precinct has become a focal point for entertainment and dining, blending waterfront views with modern architecture. The area often hosts festivals, concerts, and public art exhibitions, further enhancing its appeal as a tourism hotspot. Nature lovers are drawn to Perth not only for its urban parks and rivers, but also for its proximity to natural wonders. A short drive east leads to the Perth Hills, where tourists can explore forests, waterfalls, and walking trails. John Forest National Park and Serpentine Falls are popular among hikers and wildlife watchers. The changing seasons bring varying landscapes, from lush greenery in the winter to golden hues in the summer, offering a year-round visual feast. In addition, Perth's accessibility to unique Western Australian experiences adds another layer of attraction. Day trips or short flights from the city can take travelers to destinations like the Pinnacles Desert, Wave Rock, and the Coral Coast. These geological formations and natural landmarks showcase the extraordinary diversity of Australia's landscapes, allowing tourists to explore the wild and rugged beauty that lies just beyond the urban fringe. What makes Perth truly special is the way it combines all these elements into one seamless experience. It's a city where you can surf in the morning, enjoy a world-class meal by noon, explore art galleries in the afternoon, and watch the sunset from a hilltop park in the evening. The city's slower pace compared to the eastern metropolises like Sydney or Melbourne makes it ideal for tourists looking for relaxation without missing out on rich cultural and natural experiences. Perth's commitment to sustainability and preserving its natural environment also resonates with eco-conscious travelers. With clean public spaces, extensive recycling programs, and efforts to protect its biodiversity, the city sets an example of how urban development and environmental stewardship can go hand in hand. In essence, Perth offers a refreshing take on tourism in Australia. Its natural beauty, from riverbanks to ocean shores, its welcoming people, and its rich blend of history, culture, and modernity create an unforgettable experience. Whether you're an adventurer, a nature enthusiast, a history buff, or someone simply looking to unwind in a beautiful setting, Perth extends an open invitation that promises both discovery and delight.